Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Toyota RAV4 LE all-wheel drive. Stock number Z7088A. 26,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Clean auto check history report. Color is called Hot Lava. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. RAV4 is a very safe vehicle. 5-star overall government crash rating. Seats 5, cloth interior, lots of leg room for the rear passengers, rear seat recline, as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, as you can see. This LE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, large, easy to read gauges, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen N-Tune display for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera displays. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest, along with a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this RAV4 is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder 176 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7088A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.